Pause and practice activity Excel 3-2. We'll start this activity on the profit and loss sheet. So go ahead and click on the P&L tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, go ahead and choose cells A4 through D9. We'll then click the Quick Analysis button that appears to the bottom right of this. And then choose the Charts tab and choose the clustered column icon. And this will place a chart object in the middle of our worksheet. You can easily move this chart to any location on the worksheet. Just make sure it's selected and you have the 4-pointed arrow on your mouse. Hold the left mouse button down and move this where you want. You can also change the size of the chart by choosing any of the nodes in the top or corners. I'll size this with the corners so it changes the entire size of it at once. We'll next use the Quick Layout tool to change the look of the chart. So go up to the ribbon on the left hand side, click on the Quick Layouts button, the down arrow to the right of that, and we're going to choose option 11 here. And you'll notice as I hover over these different options, it'll show us what it'll look like. We'll next create a chart sheet. This is where we will put a chart by itself on a sheet. So we'll go ahead here and I'm going to select A4 through A8, and then I'm going to select E4 through E8. So I'll press the Control key and select those cells. We'll then go ahead and we will click on the Recommended Charts button. So we have to go up to the Insert tab. We then have to go over to the Charts area, to the Recommended Charts. And this will choose what it thinks is the best chart for us. So we're going to choose the Clustered Column chart and then click the OK button. We'll then choose Move Charts, and this will be on the Chart Design tab, which is already open. And then we will go to the Move Chart button here to the right, and we want this on a new sheet. We'll call this the Income chart and click OK. And this will move us to the new chart sheet that has been created. We're now going to use a slightly different way to change the look of the chart. We're going to use these Chart Styles options up here. So we'll go ahead and we will choose one of these. So we want Style 7, which is that one there. Go ahead and click on that. We're now going to add some more information to our chart. So we need some new data. So we'll go up here to the Data option and click the Select Data. And this will bring us back to the sheet where our data exists. So we're going to go ahead where it says the chart data here. We'll make sure that is selected. Then we're going to delete it. We'll go back to cells A4. In this case, we'll go to A9 on our sheet. We'll press Control and we will go back to E4. We'll choose through E9 on this sheet. Click OK. And this has added Wisconsin to the end of our sheet. We're now going to look at what this will look like when we print it. So let's go to the File tab. Choose the Print option. And we're going to make some adjustments to this. So click on the Page Setup link. In the Page Setup dialog box, choose Header and Footer. And we're going to add some information to the header. So choose Custom Header. Select the right section. And then choose the File Name option here to insert the file name. Click OK on both of these boxes. And you'll notice that it's inserted the file name at the top right of our sheet. We'll now move back to the worksheet. And we're going to click on the P&L worksheet. We'll choose cell A1 and we'll go back to the print option. And notice that now we have both the worksheet with our data and the chart as well. This concludes this pause and practice activity.